Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see the PhD online written test or the entrance test from one of the top college in India. And all the selected candidates will be allowed or sanctioned the fellowship and eligibility as a post-graduation. So let us see the details regarding this notification. Before going into the main content of this video, here one announcement is that the candidates who are preparing for the UGC December 2020 cycle exam. So from April 7th onwards, the revision through the previous year questions for the paper 1 as well as the electronic science. Okay, so utilize this opportunity guys, and the details regarding this one I kept at the end of this video, and the links I kept in the description box of this video. Coming to the present content of the video, it is National Institute of Advanced Studies from the Indian Institute of Science campus Bengaluru, that is IISc. So IISc campus is one of the topmost college in India. Okay, so from this one, here we got the PhD admission. You may check down. And here I will provide this website address at the end of the description box of this video. So if you are having any queries, then you may check down guys. So here I am showing the details in brief. Okay, so first have a look on the departments, okay, from which departments the PhD program is announced. So School of Conflict and Security Studies program. And the areas also you may check down here: conflict studies, geopolitics and remote sensing, and the internal politics. Okay, and coming to the School of Humanities, you may check down the areas here: history of Indic mathematics and computation, geospatial analysis, and ancient architecture of the Indian subcontinent, field archaeology, philosophy of science. And coming to the School of Natural Science and Engineering, and in this one, the areas: physics of complex systems, digital image processing, aquatic ecosystems and sustainability, energy policy, energy transition, systemic analysis, and primate cognition, mathematical and computational modeling, social cognition. So you may check down here, the different areas are also mentioned. And coming to the School of Social Sciences. Okay, these are the areas. Fine. So please check down the main area and the sub areas here. For example, if you belongs to any one of these one, and if you want to apply, then click on the apply here button is there. So if you click on this one, then you will be directed to the online application form guys. So you can fill up all these details clearly. But before going into this online application, first check down the details regarding this department, okay, or else this notification. So click on this PDF, okay, here the icon, then you will be directed to the notification. So you may check down here the School of Social Sciences, and here fellowship details. Please select, you have to select any one of the fellowship details. Are you looking for the NIAS fellowship? NIAS fellowship is nothing but an institution fellowship guys, that is National Institute of Advanced Studies. That means, are you looking for the fellowship from the institute side itself, or else are you already having the UGC, CSIR, DST or NET fellowships? Okay, so if you are not qualified for this one, then you can select for the seeking for NIAS fellowship. Okay, so without having the UGC NET or CSIR NET qualification, you will get the fellowship once you selected. Okay, and personal details you have to fill up. Fine. And the education and the research interest, and why you are choosing the NIAS, and any academic experience or the activities are there, any relevant details, and the references. You have to mention the two references, reference 1 and reference 2, and the signature. And few attachments you have to put here: curriculum vitae and the bachelor of degree certificates and master degree certificate. If you are having any one of these fellowships are there, then you have to attach those details also. And the deadline for receiving the applications is 15th April 2021, and all the shortlisted candidates will be called for the online written test. Okay, so online written test, if you qualify in this one, then you will be called for the interview, and then the final selection will be depends. Okay, so please share this information to your friends or colleagues who belongs to the departments whatever I mentioned here. Okay, and for more notifications, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So listen guys. And in this notification, if you are having any queries, then you may put your queries to this provided mail IDs. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and It is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC-NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC-NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC-NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC-NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide